Hi, my name is Jeremy Humphreys, and on this visual bite we'll be looking at what is a LUT and why do we need it. When we're filming in Cine-EI mode or log filming, the camera's filming over a wide dynamic range. The whole process means and involves a grade further on down the line in post-production. Our viewfinder cannot show that huge range, so we need to apply something called a LUT or a lookup table. This basically replicates, it simulates what the final image will look like once it's been through a grade. Now on our FS7 there's a process we need to go through to set the LUT up in the first place. So we go into Menu, we go into User Menu. I'm going to assume we've already set in base setting Cine-EI, and I cover that on another Visual Byte video. Come back out. Again, I'm going to assume we've already set the correct codec for filming in Cine-EI log, XAVCI. Come back out and we scroll down to our LUT section, Monitor LUT. This is where we set up our LUTs in the first place, and there we go, LUT 709, 800%. 709 you don't need to worry about too much, but basically Rec 709 is the standardization system in terms of how our TVs work here in the UK. So LUT select P1 709 800% is a LUT or a lookup table that is applied to your viewfinder and will approximate what the picture will look like when it's been through a post-production grade and is then shown on your TV domestic set at home. So when your Monitor 709 LUT is applied to the viewfinder, just expose normally. Whether you use zebras or what other exposure tools you use, just expose normally and your images should be correctly exposed. Two other quick things. When we play footage back through the thumbnail, your images will look milky and slightly washed out. That's normal. The other thing to bear in mind is as well, within that menu, just at the bottom, there are still a couple of sections to actually select in terms of setting your LUT to your viewfinder and setting it to an SDI2 outlet. I've scrolled a bit further down on the menu to viewfinder. We need to turn Monitor LUT on. We need to apply it to your viewfinder so you can see the image with the LUT applied. Just above that, we need to turn SDI2 on. Having SDI2 on means if we use an external viewfinder or monitor, you can see the image with the LUT applied. However, just above SDI1 and internal record, we need to leave that turned off. We do not want that Monitor LUT to be burnt into your final image. They will apply their own LUTs in post-production. So set up your Monitor LUT 709 and expose normally.